I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT on a ProBit exchange. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can buy a Tether in ProBit exchange. As you see here, this is my dashboard of ProBit. I have a lot of coin, but the price of that coin is not good. That's why it's very low price. I'm just waiting for years. I know this coin will be goody. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a Tether or USDT in this exchange. In order to buy USDT, if you see here, you can see USDT or Tether, which I have 0.4. So now, in order to buy any coin in this exchange, ProBit exchange, just click search for your coin. For example, you search about Tether USDT. When you search USDT, you will find it here. Click buy. Click the buy. After clicking the buy, you see how you can buy here by using credit card, which is very simple within a minute. So here you need to put here amount you want to spend, but remember that this exchange have a minimum of $28, so you have to start with $28. Let's go with that. Yes, exchange. Now you will receive 30 USDT because the exchange rate of this website is 1 USDT is equal to 1 United States dollar. Now just click buy. Click buy. Yeah, you will see here. You can buy using Mercuro, or you can buy by using a money pay. Let's go with the Mercuro, or you can change it into money pay, or you can change it to Mercuro. Let's go with the first one. Continue. Here, if you see the Mercuro shows that you will spend $30 with the rate of 1 USDT is equal to 1 United States dollar, so that you will receive 30 USDT. Here we go. Now click agree and confirm. After confirm payment, the system will send you to Mercuro for finishing the payment or finishing the checkout of your order. Here we go to the Mercuro. Don't worry, my internet is not good. Yeah, it's like this. Now you are reaching on the point. You can, if you see here, you receive 27.57 USDT for $30. I think this another is charged, so you can pay by using Google Pay or credit or debit card. So now here we go. You can click here. Make sure you put your card number, card name, year, and CCV here. After finishing, just click pay. You will see your balance of USDT or Tether is changing. This is how you can buy USDT or Tether on a ProBit exchange with a simple method using credit card. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.